Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Chase Business Account. Are you thinking about opening a Chase Business Account in 2025? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the pros, cons, and whether this account is right fit for your business. So let's dive in. Overview. Chase offers several business checking accounts, including Chase Business Complete Banking, ideal for small businesses, Chase Performance Business Checking, great for growing businesses, Chase Platinum Business Checking, best for high volume transactions. Now that you have an idea of the options, let's look at what Chase gets right. Pros of Chase Business Account. Number one, no minimum opening deposit. You can open an account with $0, which is great for startups and small businesses. 2. Cash deposit allowance. Chase allows up to $5,000 in free cash deposits per month with their Business Complete banking plan, which is higher than many competitors. Number 3. Access to Chase's large network. With over 4,700 branches and 16,000 ATMs, Chase offers one of the largest banking networks in the US. Number 4. Built-in payment processing with Quick Accept. With Quick Accept, you can accept card payments through the Chase mobile app and get same day deposits, a game changer for small businesses. 5. Strong integration with business tools. Chase integrates with QuickBooks and other accounting software, making bookkeeping a breeze. Cons of Chase business accounts. Number 1, monthly fees. The $15 fee for the Business Complete account can be waived, but only if you maintain a 2000 balance, make deposits via Chase Quick Accept, or link a personal Chase account. Number 2, limited free transactions. You only get 20 free transactions per month before incurring fees. If your business has a high number of transactions, this can add up. Number 3, no free wire transfers. Unlike some competitors, Chase charges for both incoming and outgoing wire transfers, which may not be ideal for businesses with frequent wire transactions. Who should get a Chase business account? It is best for small to medium sized businesses that want easy access to physical branches, businesses that process payments through Chase Quick Accept, entrepreneurs who keep at least $2,000 in their account to avoid fees. Not ideal for businesses with high transaction volume due to extra fees, those needing free wire transfers for international business. Final thoughts. So, is Chase banking right for you? If you want a bank with a strong network, digital tools, and payment solutions, Chase is a solid choice. But if you process a lot of transactions or wire transfers, you might want to explore other options. What is the most important feature in a business account for you? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.